This custom stone and brick masterpiece will make you proud to call this home your very own. This beautiful 4,200 square foot Stonebriar floor plan boasts 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and plenty of living space for the entire family. As you walk past the large, elegant front door, you can't help but notice this spacious, open-concept layout with magnificent dining room and formal study right off the entry. You'll marvel at the high ceilings and hand-scraped hardwood floors. Just past the curved staircase, you'll gaze upon the signature fireplace and large living area, which flows easily into the gourmet kitchen with its large chef's island, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, breakfast nook, and a large butler's pantry. The owner's suite, located on the ground floor, offers a spacious private getaway with its large open layout. You'll be really amazed by the master bath with spa-quality amenities, including a relaxing garden tub, a separate stand-in shower, dual vanities, and a huge walk-in closet. As you ascend the curved staircase, you'll be delighted at the additional bedrooms and spacious family game room with custom built-in shelving and some elegant architectural design. The Stonebriar can be customized with a media room with built-in surround sound inputs and a wet bar to host those fun movie or game nights. This home also comes complete with covered back porch for all those family cookouts or home gatherings. Contact a First Texas home sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out more about building the Stonebriar floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.